What's going on, guys? Tommy J here, man, coming at you with another episode of my career mode. Man, we are here picking up some air conditioning units, and it's time for us to get on the road. So let's head out. All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of my career mode here in American Truck Simulator. We got some air conditioning units, man, and we're heading over to Lamar, Colorado. Let's go ahead and fire up the old Detroit. Let's go inside here. Alrighty, let's put this in the second here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alrighty, guys. Well, we're gonna go on here, be on our way now. Thanks so much for tuning into the video. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. We're just gonna kind of casually just pull out here. Don't mind me. There are the air conditioning units. There's the old Pete. Checking it out, man. Got a double trailer for these air conditioning units. And we're going back in cab here. And we're going to be turning to the left. And let's see here. Let's see if it's... Oh, look at that. We got a little John Deere dealership over here. To the left. To the left. To the left. Everything I own is in a box to the left. Alrighty, guys. Welcome back to American Truck Simulator, my career mode. Man, I hope you guys are enjoying the series. Because I sure am. Let me tell you. If you guys are enjoying the video, man, give it a thumbs up. Please help out the channel. And if you haven't already, man, press the big old red subscribe button there. If you're enjoying the content here of American Truck Sim. And I hope you guys are doing well, man. I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for tuning into the video. Can we go? Are we going to get penalized if we go on red? Are we going to get penalized? No? Alright, doesn't look like it. Does not seem to be any penalization there. I'll take it. I will take it. Hope you guys are having a good day. Thanks for checking out the video. Man, we got us a load here today, man. It's gonna be crazy. Pulling a double wagon with the air conditioning units, of course. Check out our mighty fine Pete, man. Looking nice. But yeah, just some big old air conditioning units, man. Those are some big old air conditioning units. Oh my goodness. Said we're taking them to DFA. So, not sure what they need that for, but hey, we're not here to judge. We're just gonna make the load, man. There it is, baby. Got the old 425 Detroit in her. There goes the Walmart sign. And let me get back in cab here so we don't run out the roadway. Pardon my French. Man, what is going on, guys? Good to be back here in the old cab of the old Peter car. Man, it's been too long. Hope you guys are having a good day, man. Hope you guys, this video reaches you in good spirits. It's 65, not 50 there, Tommy. Come on, keep the hammer down, buddy. We'll get up to 70 eventually. I promise that. Gonna take us a little bit though. There it is. Time for a shift. And time to slow down here. Whoops. Whoops. I was not paying attention to the road. Just paying attention to the RPM gauge there. That is my bad. My bad indeed. But here we are, headed down the old road. Oh wow, I'm looking at 96 frames per second on the old inner view here. That's pretty good, man. Last video I was talking about trying to get some better quality, man. I kept getting dropping FPS. And man, out here on the open road, buddy, we're getting a whole 98 frames per second, by golly. I'll take it. I would definitely take it. But if you guys enjoyed the content, man, drop a comment over there in the comment box. I will get back to you on that. Guaranteed. Set the cruise. We can bypass near way station. Have a safe journey. Copy that. About to be. Ooh, slow down. What's going on here? I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and go anyway. I have no idea. I don't know what that truck was doing over there, dude. I got no idea. Oh, there's the highway patrol. It's a good thing we're behind it now. Oh, 60, and we're going downhill. Be there in no time. There he goes. Cruise control. Because y'all know I got a heavy foot. Y'all know I got a heavy foot. If you guys are curious on how we're looking left and right so easily, with ease, it's Toby head tracking, man. You go pick up Toby head tracking over there at Toby. And man, they made a good product, man. Definitely love using Toby, man. Definitely love using the Toby. We're gonna slow down. What are we doing here? We're gonna slow down a little bit. 55. Okay. 45 around the curve. We'll definitely do that. Definitely don't want to flip the rig like I've done before in the past. That would be expensive and make us late. So we're going to avoid doing that at all costs. Here we go. 65 and whoosh. There it is. There it is. Oh, what do you got here? Welcome to colorful Colorado. Set the cruise control. Man, I hope you guys are doing good though. Like I said before, you guys are probably tired of me saying this, but welcome to the video. Hope you guys are enjoying it. We got 1,898 miles, about to be 1,900 miles on the old Pete, man. All original miles, man. We bought this truck brand new. We've already put it down 1,900 miles on it. It's not even broke in yet. We're just giving it a little test run. But we're definitely going to be keeping this truck for a long time. See if how many miles we can get on her. Eventually, I would like to upgrade the cab once we get up to the levels here, and once we get our loan paid off. Definitely would like to update the cab to maybe a sleeper cab or something like that. Maybe trade out the transmission from a 10-speed to maybe a 13 or 15, and go from there. Just make a little performance upgrades. It's definitely on the list. And that's all we got there for the old Pete, man. All the other drivers seem to be doing A-okay with their vehicles. So You know, we're doing good, man. Time is money, and we got nothing but time, man. We got nothing but time. So, you know, eventually we'll be able to get everything paid off. We'll be able to start buying cash, buying trucks and whatnot with cash. That's the number uno priority here. It's just to get out of debt, man. Get out of debt first, man. That's the number one priority here. Not that, you know, we're hurting for money or anything, but yeah, I'm that kind of guy, man. I don't like being in debt. In real life, I don't like being in debt virtually. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. So, we'll definitely try and get that debt. Ooh, look at that river, man. Look at that river. Covered up by all those trees. Focus on the road, buddy. I get so sidetracked, man. This game just gets me sidetracked. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's slow down here. We're gonna flip it. There we go. Just kidding, we're not gonna flip it. I learned my lesson. Or did I? 45 miles an hour on this turn here. And we gotta go 45 miles anyway, so no big deal. No big deal. And there goes the frames. Lamar City Line. There we go, 35. Let's see what we got going on around here. Tacos. What is that? The courthouse over yonder? Looks like it to me. What else we got around here? As I almost blow the engine. Because I'm not shifting. Oh man, imagine if you can blow the engine in this game. If you guys have blown the engine in this game, let me know. I'm quite curious now. With me being a not an automatic driver, curious. Have you guys ever blown an engine in this game? If you haven't, can you? And do you think SES should add it? I think it'd be cool, man. Go back in cab here. I think it'd be cool. Blow the engine. Why not? Why not, man? Super realistic. Blowing the engine. There's the copper. Bet you he's gonna try to find us riding dirty. Somehow. Somehow he's gonna try. We may not even... Ooh, look at that big old windmill right there. Windmill blade, correction. Sorry about that. Not a windmill. Windmill blade. Complete difference. $35 through the town. Uh-oh. Brake. IKEA. What are you doing, man? What are you doing, IKEA? Whoa! There we go. I knew something was going to happen. Damn IKEA drivers, I tell you what, man. They're almost bad as Swift. But they ain't bad as Prime, though, man. Them Prime's real bad. I always see TikToks and YouTube shorts about Prime trailer drivers, man. It always seems like they're already getting a crash or something. Always seem like it. Or they're just driving down the shoulder of the highway. I don't know if you guys seen that video. Crazy. $392 for diesel. $411 if you're playing with a credit. $392 for cash. That's It's actually pretty realistic where I'm at. Way station, 1 mile. Are we gonna have to go? That is the $1 million question. Are we gonna have to go? Where you at? Where are you at? Way station, right lane, open. Okay. Let's see, what's this sign say? Something about commercial vehicles. Oh, there it is. That's what I was looking for. Are they gonna stop us? Yep. Dang it. I knew it. I knew it. I had a feeling. What is pulling here all nonchalant? There we go. Enter. 46,000. Your vehicle is not in perfect technical state. Be more careful next time. You got it. I'll definitely have to go to the repair shop pretty soon and get that damage repaired and possibly replaced, depending on the funds. Uh-oh. Is this truck gonna let us out? It's not gonna have a choice. And we gotta get into level. Clear. Moving over. And let's hit the jake brake. Beautiful Detroit. Beautiful Detroit jake brake. Whoa, driver. I'm trying to pull out here in 3rd gear now. Come on. Come on. Oh, what a gentleman. What a gentleman. Sorry, I'm new here. I'm still trying to learn how to shift. Sorry about that. You can always tell the new drivers because they don't know how to shift. That's me. That is me. 100%. Won't even deny it. I won't even deny it. Hello, cows. Are you guys getting these air conditioning units? Because it's so hot out here. I wonder, I wonder. Whoa. Here we go. Where are we going? Right here? Okay. GPS says this way, so let's just kind of country cruise right over here. Let's see, where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, we're going right here. Right in front of my daggum face, man. Oh, Lord. There it is. There's the gold green lines. Let's put it in neutral. Put the parking brake on. Engine off. And T. And there it is. The cows have their air conditioning units. How spoiled are they? Continue. We're going to press the old drive button. Engine on. Parking brake in not engaged. First gear. Second gear. And let's go. Slowly come out. Oh, I wonder if we can take that somewhere. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Alrighty. Neutral. Brake. Engine off. Alrighty, guys, that's going to do it for this episode of My Career Mode here in American Truck Simulator. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, press the big red subscribe button. Help out the channel. And we will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.